Hey guys, it's me Prasad Deshpande, your Indian consumer, and today we have here with us some hard drives, and I'll be talking about the WD hard drives today. In the Indian markets, only two competitors which right now are there and captured the market, they are WD and Seagate. Both are American companies and they don't have their service centers here. But I have selected WD and I recommend WD just because of the after sales support that they provide. And to both Seagate and WD, the links for the after sales support are provided below in the description. So today I have here with me a 1 TB WD, the green hard drive, and this is an internal desktop hard drive. So let's quickly unbox this one. So guys, here is the hard drive, and let's open the tearable seal. But before that, this is the kind of packaging that you should be looking for, because there are many copies out there in the market. See to it that the tearable seal has not been opened in any way. So this is an imported product and you should be very careful. Let's quickly break the seal. So here we have it. This is the 1 TB internal desktop hard drive. WD provides you a green, blue, red and black variant. So here I'll show you a blue one. So this is the blue variant which WD gives you. Now there is not much difference between the blue and the green one, just the green one being a much eco-friendly type, and it also is less noisier. It is more energy efficient, and whereas the black and the red ones are much more swift. They are very much speedy, but they also cost you more. Now this one I bought for 3,700 rupees, and this one is also available for the same price in the market. The 1 TB variant, of course, and whereas the black and the red one is available for around 6,000 rupees and the black one for around 7,000 rupees. So if you're really thinking of putting in the extra money and going for the speed and 5-year warranty, of course, yeah, black and the red one come with a 5 years warranty, and both these drives come with a 2-year warranty. So choose wise, that is all I can say. But some of the people out there on the net have mentioned that the green one is really slow and all those sort of things. But let me tell you this, guys, that the green one is much more eco-friendly. This is a new product by WD, and they are well researched about this. This came out in 2010. I have used the blue one earlier, and I went for the green one because I believe it is much more efficient. And the only difference between these two is that the green one has a lower operating temperature. It runs on lower RPM. This runs on 6,000 RPM. This runs on 7,200 RPM. But whenever there are moving parts in a machine, you always prefer lower RPMs, and of course the copying data speed and everything is very much similar. So the green one I found to be much more technically good, and that's the main reason I went for the green one. I have used the blue one too, so you can ask me any questions if you have. Now, as I earlier told you, there are many variants, the blue, green, red and the black ones. So you might be confused while selecting or choosing to buy one. I selected the green one basically because my use is just for basic home necessities and my normal surfing for the videos and all those sort of things. If you are into heavy applications and multitasking, so you can opt and go for the red one or the black one. And of course they will cost you more. They come with 5 years warranty. The blue and the green ones come with 2 years warranty. So it completely depends on what your basic needs are. So this was my take on the WD hard drive, and I selected the green one. So as per your needs, go for your selections, be wise, compare carefully. I have provided the links in the description below for your comparison and other things. And if you like my videos, do subscribe, and I'll keep making such more videos. Thank you.